Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Lynn. So a crochet group that I am in, I posted this do-it-yourself Tunisian crochet hook that I made. And a couple of people had wanted to know how I made it. So that is what this video will be about. So you will need a pair of scissors. You will need something that is called jelly cord. Oh my goodness, my camera won't pick it up very good. But this is, okay, I just need to get a little closer. This is called jelly cord, and I bought this at Michael's. Yes, I got it. So I bought this at Michael's. Obviously crochet hooks. And a reusable straw. Now, reusable straws come in a variety of sizes, and as you can see here, I have accumulated quite a bit. So they come in packs. Some of them come in packs. I bought this pack at Walmart. I have bought some at Target. And where else? And then I have gotten some with cups that I have bought. Like maybe I don't have the cup anymore, but I kept the straw or whatever. And you could possibly use a regular drinking straw, the kind you throw away. I'm not sure how durable it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Also, you will need some kind of bead to put on the end as a stopper. You can use pony beads. You can use wooden beads, as I have done here. So I'll go ahead and take one out. Let's see. I feel fine. So what we're gonna do first, this fits perfectly. I'm not sure where I bought this from, this straw, but as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now, you will have to you might have to try a few different straws, you know, to get the right size. But we're gonna do this one. So you wanna cut like a little piece off. You don't need a very big piece. Like this piece right here is about 1 inch. I can actually measure it since I have my tape measure right here, and we'll just go ahead and measure this out. Yeah, so a little less than 1 inch. This measures a little less than 1 inch. So anyway, we're gonna cut this because you basically are only cutting it just for it to hold the cord on the end. Now, where did it go? That happens to me every time, y'all. And of course, one of my lights fell too. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the jelly cord, and I'll show this again, and hopefully the camera will pick that up. And I bought that at Michael's, and the jelly cord has like a little stretch to it. It is used for jewelry making. and other craft projects. I'm not gonna cut a long piece because this one that I already made is 6 feet long. I'm just gonna do this for the purpose of the video. So we're gonna put the cord through here and take the cord and hold it like that, and then you're gonna slip your end of the crochet hook in through here. Now it's gonna be kind of tight because you have the jelly cord in here as well, and that's what you want. You want it to be snug, and you can also push it down on a table or something, just, you know, to push it down like that. So now this is what you have. You will then take the other end and thread it through the bead. And you will make your knot at the end. And make it as tight as you can. Not enough to pull it loose, but you definitely want it to hold. So this is about 3 knots for me. Yep. And then you will cut it. Don't cut it real close because you don't want it to come loose. And now this end where we have a little bit hanging off, we'll cut that as close as we can get. And how close you get depends on your scissors. And that is it, y'all. That is it. So hopefully that's very helpful, and so therefore it's your do-it-yourself flexible Tunisian crochet hook. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you have not already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be adding more content as I, make stuff. I'm a mom of 12 children, and so time can be limited, but I will do the best I can.